Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to use Safari browser on Apple CarPlay. By default, Apple doesn't allow Safari to run on CarPlay for safety reasons, but there are workarounds if you want full web browsing on your car screen. The most popular method is by using third-party apps like CarBridge or CarTube, which lets you mirror your iPhone directly onto CarPlay. Once installed, just connect your iPhone to your car, launch the CarBridge app, and select Safari. It will then display right inside CarPlay, like a native app. Another option is to use screen mirroring, if your head unit supports it, which also lets you pull up Safari or any browser straight from your iPhone. That's it. You can now open Safari in your car without limits. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.